grab a resistance band and try this 5-minute workout that will work every part of your arms in just 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Are you ready?
Today we are going to be working our arms using a resistance band. We will begin seated in a chair with a light resistance band. You can do this whole sequence standing if you prefer to have more challenge. You can also up the resistance of your band to a medium or heavy resistance if you choose. It's a way to make it more challenging. Let's get started. We're going to take the ends of your band and kind of wind them in to where you can finish with your hands about shoulder distance apart and the palms facing towards the floor. Sit up nice and tall on my sit bones and extend the arms out from the shoulders. They should be right in line with the shoulders here. And I'm simply going to take a little pull outwards and bring it back in, resisting as I press out and resisting to come in. Now my collarbones are nice and wide here, and I'm feeling a little engagement here in my mid-back. I want to avoid drawing up in the traps and the shoulders. Keep those collarbones nice and wide. Just a few more pulses here. 3, 2, 1, and now bring the elbows outward, the hands in towards the chest, and walk the hands a little closer. Keep those elbows lifted, and now pull your strap apart and bring it in and out. Think about the collarbones getting wider and those elbows reaching towards the opposite sides of each wall. Just a few more pulses. 3, 2, 1, and now extend the arms upward. If you need to adjust here, that's totally fine. You might want to take it a little bit wider. And I want you to extend the arms overhead so that you can keep the fingertips and the hands in your peripheral vision. From here, begin to pull that strap down towards the chest and lengthen back up. Squeeze through the mid-back and press up. Keep going here. Keep those collarbones wide, pushing up and pulling down out of the ceiling. Check in with your posture. Keep the rib cage closed, those abdominals engaged. Pull that band apart. 3, 2, 1. Now take it overhead and begin to take just one side only, pulling down. Keep those arms long, stabilizing that overhead arm. Check in with those shoulders. Resist. And take it to the other side. Pulling out of the ceiling, keep the arm long, moving from the shoulder. Check in with the head, neck, and shoulders. Try to remain tension-free there. 3, 2, 1, and lower the arms back in line with the chest. Now take this to a diagonal. One arm is slightly higher than the other and pull out. Little pulses here. Pulse, keep it nice and small. Maintaining some tension here on that band. Keep breathing through it. Arms should feel pretty warm by now. And bring it to center. Take the diagonal the other way and begin to pulse. Keep pulsing. If you start to feel a lot of tension in that head, neck, and shoulders, you can lower the arms just a little bit. See if that is helpful. Good, now hold about halfway and we're gonna take it side to side. Keep holding that tension. Up and down, diagonal to diagonal. Sitting up nice and tall. We're getting close to the end, you're doing great. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, now turn the palms to the ceiling, bend the elbows, outward pulses. If you need to keep a grip on your band, that's fine. We're just taking these tiny little external rotation here. little pulses. Keep hugging those elbows. Keep those collarbones wide and tension out of those shoulders. We're almost finished. Pulsing out. Finish strong. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now extend forward. Tiny press out. Bring it in and hug those elbows in. Extend, open, in, and bend. Extend, open, in, and bend. One more, extend, open, in, and bring it back in. You can unwind that strap, give those arms a little shake. Great job. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas or combine them all for a full body workout.